Join me as we discover the beauty and charm of Mallorca through a photographer's lens, capturing timeless moments and unforgettable memories in one of the most picturesque towns in the world. Hi, I'm Jess. I'm a family photographer based in Mallorca. I'm here to take you on a behind-the-scenes look on what it's like to work as a photographer here on this beautiful island. Working as a family photographer here is such a rewarding experience. With its stunning landscapes, family-friendly cultures, endless opportunities to capture beautiful memories. It's no wonder that Mallorca has become a popular destination for photographers. Mallorca is a beautiful island filled with rich cultures and stunning landscapes. It's also a lovely place where memories can be made. And as a photographer, it gives you the opportunity to capture stunning memories and beautiful stories can be made through your lens. So let's take a closer look on what it's like to be a family photographer here in Mallorca. Whether it's just a beach day or an adventure up in the hills, Mallorca has something to offer every family. And as a photographer, it's important to know your clients' needs and what they want to get out of their photography experience. But the rewards of working as a photographer here are endless, and it's so nice to see the joy on families' faces when they receive the photos. Knowing that you've captured a moment with your photography that they will cherish for years to come is truly a reward like no other, to see how happy they are when they receive these photos. Whether you're a seasoned professional or you're just starting out, Mallorca is a perfect place to grow your career as a family photographer. With its rich culture, beautiful landscapes, and endless opportunities to capture memories, and it's a place where your thoughts can run wild and really inspires creativity. And if you're looking to capture your own memories on this stunning island, please contact me on my website, JC Photography Mallorca, or email me at jcphotographymallorca@gmail.com. to book your photo shoot today on this beautiful island of Mallorca. But that's all I wanted to share with you today. Hasta pronto. See you soon.